everyone, Fabiana here from Creative Swimwear, and today I'm gonna teach you one more applique for your bikini tops and bottoms as well. You can use them on the bottoms. Like right now there's a lot of people using micro bikinis with these little appliques everywhere. So I'm making a playlist only with these appliques on the right size for swimwear. And also I'll be making them all in cotton, 100% cotton yarn, and I'm using 4-ply because that's the same cotton that I use for swimwear, because it's a little faster drying than 8-ply, so the thicker your yarn is, the longer it takes to dry. So we use a thin yarn like this, so it dries a bit faster. Okay, so that's the color I'm using. It's a green, leaf green color, and this applique, this Marijuana leaf, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leaves, and it has a stem as well on the bottom. So we will be using the magic ring in the middle, and then we'll be making a few stitches, 9 stitches around, so we can have 7 leaves and a stem here. So let's start it right now. So to start making this leaf, I'm going to make a magic ring. So for that, wrap this yarn around your finger twice, and then underneath, put your hook underneath the first part of the yarn and pull the second one like this, twist it, and then make a chain. Slowly take it out of your finger, and then here we're gonna make 9 single crochets on top of this magic ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we pull it to close the circle, and then we're gonna have single crochet here to close the loop. So we're gonna start with this smaller leaf here, and then go this way and finish with this little stem. So on the first one we're gonna have 7 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the first stitch is gonna be on the 3rd chain from the hook. That's our first single crochet. So all the leaves we're going to start with a small stitch, which is a single crochet in the 3rd chain, and then from there we're going to make half double crochets in this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the next stitch here in this circle I'm going to make a single crochet, and then go to my next leaf. That's gonna be 11 chains. So chain 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then again on the 3rd chain from the hook we are going to start with a single crochet. and then 1 half double in that second chain there, half double, and then double crochets from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on the very last one we always be making a smaller stitch, which is a half double again, because we don't want this to look, we need this leaf to get smaller at the end, so when we make this next stitch, it looks just right. So the next leaf we're gonna have 13 chains, so chain 13, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then from here, in the third chain from the hook, we are going to make our single crochet, the half double crochet on the second stitch, and then 1, 2, 3 double crochets, and then now I'm going to have 2 treble crochets to make this leaf a bit fatter than the other one. So 2 treble crochets, and then all the rest doubles again. And always that very last one we make a half double here. Okay, and now our fourth chain, it's gonna be with 15, our next leaf is gonna be with 15 chains, so chain 15 there. Chain 15, and then single crochet in the third chain, half double on the next one, and then 4 double crochets, 2, 4, and then 3 treble crochets, because that's our biggest leaf, so it needs to be more fat than the other ones. Two, 3, and then back to your double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and then I have double at the end. Single crochet in that next single crochet, and then we go to the next leaf. That's gonna be 13 chains, and then 11 chains, and then 7 chains. So repeat these 3 ones, they are the same as these ones, and then we're gonna finish with the stem here. I'm gonna show you how to make this. To finish here, we'll be making this stem. That's the last part of our leaf. And right after finish this last leaf here, we'll be making 7 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here in the second chain from the hook, we'll be making a slip stitch. And then here, single crochet in the second one, then single crochets all the way to the top, all the way to the beginning where we started. So here, and then here just join with a slip stitch as well, and then you can finish this off. Okay, so here at the end, always leave around, I don't know, as much as you think as you need to stitch it, just to apply on top of the bikini or wherever you're gonna use it. So you can start waving straight away with this tail here that you left, I think around a meter, just to make sure, because there's a lot of leaves and we need to make sure that we sew both sides, or here I would sew in the middle, just wave in and out. But I'm gonna make another video showing you how to sew this leaf and apply on any crochet, in any crochet piece that you have. You can use that. You can make this leaf with wool as well. I'm just using cotton because this is a summer project. But if you wanna put in a hat or something, or in a beanie or something, you can make this in wool as well. It doesn't really matter, it doesn't change. And so the hook I'm using here, it's a 0.1 millimeters. You're probably gonna use a bit thicker hook with if you're making this with wool. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Leave me a comment, let me know which project you're using that you're gonna use this marijuana leaf on. I'll be interested to know what you guys doing with it. But I think it's a really cute applique for a bikini, and also wallets or bags, anything, you know, maybe a Rastafari colors or something would be cool as well. So leave me a comment saying where you're gonna apply it, and also give me a like, give me a thumbs up, because that's very important for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content about summer crochet, clothing, and swimwear. That's what I like doing. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.